Google has already shared promotional images of the Pixel 10, confirming its arrival. While the company is keeping detailed specs under wraps, leaks suggest the lineup will include Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, Pixel 10 Pro Fold. These devices are expected to offer major internal upgrades compared to the Pixel 9 series, making them more powerful and feature-rich. Camera with flash camera upgrades across the lineup. The Pixel 10 series will retain the signature rounded camera bar design, but with some exciting enhancements. The base Pixel 10 will feature a new third rear camera, a 10.8 MP telephoto lens, alongside a 48 MP wide-angle and a 13 MP ultrawide lens. This setup brings it closer to the Galaxy S25's camera capabilities. The Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL will offer a more advanced camera system, including a 50 MP wide-angle, 48 MP ultrawide, and 48 MP telephoto lens, promising top-tier photography performance. Artist palette color options leaked. According to reports, the Pixel 10 will be available in 4 colors: Obsidian Black, Indigo Bluish Purple, Frost Light Blue, Lemonade Yellow. The Pixel 10 Pro models will also come in 4 shades: Obsidian Black, Porcelain White, Moonstone Gray, Jade Light Green. Moneybag rumored pricing for Pixel 10 series. Despite global tariff concerns, the Pixel 10 lineup is expected to maintain the same pricing structure as the Pixel 9 series. Pixel 10, 128 GB, $799. 256 GB, $899. Pixel 10 Pro, 128 GB, $999. 256 GB, $1,099. 512 GB, $1,219. 1 TB, $1,449. Pixel 10 Pro XL, 256 GB, $1,199. 512 GB, $1,319. 1 TB, $1,549. Magnetic charging with Qi 2 support. One standout feature could be Qi 2 magnetic wireless charging. If true, the Pixel 10 would support magnetic accessories like wallets, mounts, and chargers similar to Apple's MagSafe system. Leaked images show a circular wireless charger attached to the Pixel 10, suggesting built-in magnets. Google may brand this feature as Pixel Snap, allowing seamless accessory swapping between Pixel and iPhone devices. OpenBook Pixel 10 Pro Fold, Design and Expectations. Google recently teased the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, which appears to follow the design of last year's Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Expect a taller, narrower format and the new Tensor G5 chip. The foldable is also likely to ship with Android 16 pre-installed, although the Pixel 9 Pro Fold has already received that update.